guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, this isn't sponsored, I wish it was, but I ordered 3 clean out kits from the website ThredUp. I recently ordered one and sent the bag back and actually made a good amount of money. So since I am purging my closet and basically want to create a capsule wardrobe, I actually added a few more tops to that from the thrift store last week, and so finally ordered some more ThredUp clean out kits, and I'm trying to get rid of just like a huge pile of clothing. So some of it is going to go to them, good condition ones, and then the other is for donation. I just kind of threw everything in one big bag while I was cleaning out everything just to make it easier. So once I step into this room, which is our guest bedroom basically, the lighting is pretty terrible. It's basically like fluorescent. So right now I'm standing in the hallway. As you can see, Savannah is watching Peppa Pig right in the living room, which is right over here. Can't see the TV, but she's eating her Paw Patrol themed yogurt, which is the only reason why she will eat yogurt. That's our dining room. Some of it. I haven't done a house tour yet, but coming soon. So let's get started with this clean out. Okay. So these are the clean out kits, but they did not want any of it. And then this huge pile. So yeah, it's a lot of stuff. And clean out kit. So this is how it comes when you open the packaging. It's pretty cute. Little closet. And then it shows you everything that you have to do. So there's a checklist of items they accept, popular items, items they don't accept, and then, you know, how it benefits the earth. And it's 1, 2, 3 easy steps, and then you're done. So just so you can see it better, you open up this little closet pamphlet, you know, with ThredUp. 1, 2, 3 easy steps, checklist, popular items, items we don't accept, and then how you're doing good for the planet. And you can see there's already prepaid label. Nice. This is the bag. So you can drop it off at FedEx or leave it with USPS. So I have 2 huge bags filled with clothing, and now I saved the last bag because I wanted one bag to just be shoes. This big token. I didn't realize how many shoes I had, and I had like a few belts, so accessories, because I didn't want them to like stab the bag if it was like filled with clothes and then shoes. So yeah, and then this big pile here is to donate. Okay. So this is what I'm left with. Everything fit, and this bin and this bag is for donation. So I have 1, 2, 3, and the shoes actually didn't take up the whole bag. Just surprised about. I'm glad everything fit that I wanted to get rid of and sell. And ThredUp is so cool because, you know, they do all the work for you, and the clothing that they cannot sell, they will let you know if you want to donate that, or they can send it back to you for a fee, which I understand because they're sending you bags with prepaid labels, and you know they weigh a ton, so that cost is on them initially. But then you know, they get to sell these things and take a percentage every step of the way. They email you as they're sending your clean out bag. Then they email you again when it's on their way so you can track it. And then they email you when they've received the bag back. And they email you when they have processed it. And then they email you again when they list the items that they can sell for sale. And you have, I think, you have a certain amount of days where you can change the listing price of your item or ask for that to be changed. So depending on how old your clothing or shoes or accessories are, you know, that's how they determine how much they should be sold for. So if you feel like they aren't listing it for a fair price, you can ask to have it changed at auction. And then I believe once everything is sold, then they send you your money, or you can get store credit online. Process of the first bag, and I know these next 3 bags, it actually was pretty quick. It took only like 2 weeks for them to receive the bag, process, and send me all those emails with every update. So yeah, so I will keep you guys up to date on how this goes and track how much I actually made. And yeah, no matter what, how much I get, I'm glad that I am sending the things that I don't use to be bought for, you know, someone else to wear them and enjoy them, and then things that aren't, you know, donated. I've actually found out that the clothing bins that you see on streets, they never really get picked up, and when they do get picked up, they are usually sent to the dumps, because people just don't care about that. They don't like worry about it. Who knows even like what service, you know, does that. Thanks for watching, and good night, because it is late.